Kel and I'm back to do another video for y'all. Hey, so disclaimer. My edges ain't down, this bun ain't really up there good, because the wig that I have to do required me to do some hair maintenance. Now I just washed my hair and I decided to blow dry because I plan on wearing my hair in a bun this week at work. So, but I needed to do some blow drying to my hair to do this here wig. And the wig that I have next up for y'all is the converticap by Outre Hawiian Hottie. Of course, I will be putting that over here somewhere, maybe over here. It looks like there's a lot of room over there. So, of course, I will be showing you the picture, all of that goodness. Let me try to get her out this box. All right, here we go. Go ahead and pop her. Okay. Here we go. Now, yep, this is Hawiian Hottie in a number 2, and she's a straight one. So I have to do some hair maintenance so we can get my hair to blend with that. This is really pretty. I love how soft she is, but she is a rougher texture. Not rough as in bad, but rough as in, it's a yucky texture. Very yucky, and I love that because this is going to blend with my hair seamlessly. We got like some packaging in there somewhere, so I'll end up getting that up. So here we go. As you guys can see, the texture in her. Yeah, son, hit it right, son. Cause my son is on this side. It's like weird. Like, why my son over there? It is early in the morning though. So she is, of course, a half wig, headband wig. She has the big comb in the front, or a medium-sized comb in the front. She got the comb on the sides here. And then she has a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and of course the regular breathable mesh cap underneath. And that's pretty much it. So of course I'm going to try to give you guys 3 styles. I'm going to try to switch up my styles with this one just because this is a straighter wig. I did do the maintenance, and I will be right back. Okay, y'all, I am back with the first style, and this is just with the headband on. Super cute. Like, this is so simple. Like, so all I did was, of course, slick my hair back, and we good up in here. We good. Like, this is really cute, you guys. No tangling, no shedding. It was just bunched up back there by my neck, but that's not a tangle. Let's say that's not a tangle. Okay, and it's a really good length. So depending on how far you push the headband back, I think right now this is a good 12, 14 inches. And it's not pulled back far, as you can see. The wig starts here. And this is the perfect color for my hair. Yes, I like this a lot. This is really cute. And this is, of course, the first style. It's easy, it's straight. You don't have to do much to it. Of course, just comb it out. So we're gonna go through the second style and see what I come up with, because I don't know. Okay, you guys, this is half up, half down with no hair out. This is her with no hair out. Half up, half down. I think she is cute. Like super duper cute. Y'all, I'm really feeling this. Cause she's so easy. I mean, if you would like to put it like in a little bun or whatever, you could do that. You could do that. But she's cute. She's really cute and junk. And she easy. Okay, let's try the third style real quick. Real quick, because she's super easy. This might be a quick video. So, yeah. Okay.
I see you at
Okay, you guys, this is the third final style. Pretty much her in a ponytail. I think for the ponytail, you would have to change the headband because I would want to cover up. It's a little bulky in the back. Maybe you guys can figure a way out. Well, I got the sting on. That ain't cute. Look at that. Look at that. I'm trash for that. Super trash for that. But okay. And it's still showing. Tuck it in the wig, y'all. Y'all supposed to tuck that. That is not supposed to be seen. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. And it's still showing. It just don't want to let me be great. Okay. I guess this is as good as it's gonna get, but it's a little bulky in the back. Like you can't really put it all the way up smoothly. I don't know, it still doesn't look that great to me all the way up smoothly. It's like you have to leave like a messy ponytail, messy bun thing for it to, so you can pull it off. I mean, you can pull it off. You can pull it off. If you're doing the whole messy bun thing, you can pull it off. I just think you would need a thicker headband. Like say if I actually use my scarf, a little headband scarf as one, that would work. Because you can't see all the bulkiness. But besides that, you can put it in a ponytail, you can put it half up, half style. You can most definitely pull your hair out if you so well please. If you so well please, you don't have to, but I really do think this is really cute. She's straight, so there's unlimited styles you can do with her because she's straight. You do have to like flat, if you're going to leave your hair out, you're going to have to flat iron your hair. I did blow drop my hair. Of course, I told you I plan on wearing my hair in a real bun, like a donut bun to work. But anywho, if you do plan on flat iron your hair, that's a really good thing. And of course, this is Hawiian Hottie. I have her in number 2. And she is dope, of course. This is the style I have. So ponytail, regular down with the headband, and of course half up, half down, because that's how much I love half up, half down. But she is perfect. I think she's a really cute style and she's easy to do. So that is all for Outre converticap Hawiian Hottie. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you have something to tell me in the comment section, if you like it, if you don't like it, go ahead and tell me about it. Of course, share all my videos with your wig loving friends, and of course subscribe to me, because why not? Why not? So I will definitely see you guys next time. Bye bye.